Hi everyone, I have a new collaboration going on, and it is called For the Love of Fall. So that is going to be the hashtag that you will use. Let me or Cheryl Wilm, who is the Crafty Shamrock, know that you're participating, and we will put the links to your channels in our descriptions when we put up one. And we ask that you do the same for us. Cheryl and myself talked it over, and we decided that we're going to do For the Love of Fall. And I ain't putting it out there right now, in case anybody else decides to say they did it, they came up with it. I am going to do For the Love of Winter also. And I will probably start that around December 1st. I really miss seasons. I really miss seasons. I miss fall and winter the most. I used to love spring, but now spring just reminds me that it's going to get hot. And I live in Florida, so for fall we might get 88 degrees for a cool down. We don't get leaves changing, hardly ever. I'm looking out my window right now and see one yellow leaf on my tree. Probably means the tree's dying, not that it's fall. But anyway, my first project is going to be a small journal, and I'm using the Best of the Harvest kit, and I'll probably put some other things in it. I'm going to use some of the papers that I bought from Miss Sarita, because I just love her paper, and I'm using some coffee dye papers. And I'm going to use some of this kit. It's going to be a simple journal, because it's going to be one that I'm using for myself. And I have some Season Storm stickers that I might use in here. I think what I'm going to do is make it a creative writing journal, a creative art journal for myself for the fall, and then I'll do another one for the winter. So if you would like to join along, let one of us know that you are going to be doing it, and we'll put the link to your channel down as soon as we see that you've done a video with the hashtag For the Love of Fall, so that people can link to you. And please excuse my voice. My husband has gotten sick, and I have gotten it from the babies, and you know us, hey, we're just a walking plague. Anyway, I hope you will join in and have some fun, come up with some creative ideas for fall, and share them with all of us so that, you know, we can inspire each other to do more for fall. And those of you who are actually lucky enough to have fall, use some of what you find in nature, because it will inspire others that also have fall, and it'll keep me from missing it so much, I guess, to see you guys being lucky enough to use pine cones and acorns and all that good stuff. Colored leaves for echo dyeing is awesome, guys. If you never tried it, you have to try it. So anyway, I hope you'll join us in the hashtag For the Love of Fall, and then behind that will be hashtag For the Love of Winter. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.